we will get a
negative integer. Bhadra, Joshua?
Good afternoon.
Yes. Bhadra, please tell the first rule. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, please tell the first rule, Bhadra. Mute. I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, child. Anna Rose, please tell.
And when we add two positive integers, and answers will be a positive integers.
Very good. Then?
And some examples.
Second rule, Narendran, are you
When
there?
we add two negative numbers, and
Ridul, tell, Ridul.
we will get negative answer. When we add two negative numbers, we will get
Answer will be a negative integer. Right. Okay. I win third rule.
Yes, ma'am. When we add one positive integer and a negative integer, find the difference and give the sign of the larger number.
Very good. Okay. Now, I'll give some questions. You tell me the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, children. You can tell. Anybody. I won't tell the name. Okay. You can tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Answer?
27, negative 27.
Negative 27. Very good. Then, second one.
We want to write
No need of writing.
18, positive 18.
Positive 18.
Positive.
Okay. Positive 18. Third one.
Ma'am, negative 50.
Negative 50. And fourth one. Any doubt, children?
Ma'am, 50. Negative 50.
Negative 50. When you tell a negative, tell a negative number, that negative should come first. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Negative 50. Negative. First one is you can see the sign first. So tell that first. Negative 50.
Negative 50.
Next one. Negative 100 plus positive 80.
Ma'am.
Negative 20.
Negative 20. Negative 20. Devananda. Very good. Sixth one. Listen.
Positive 80. Positive 80.
Positive 80. Very good. So, you know, I hope you know all this. Now, shall we start with our subtraction?
Yes, ma'am. We can start.
Subtraction. Okay, children. So, you can write the heading. It's a very important one. Somebody is talking. Please mute.
Ma'am, that last question I didn't understand.
Huh? Which is bigger in that?
No, ma'am, in this questions and all, when we add, we get another number, right?
Who is this?
Ma'am, I joined this now. So
What is the third rule? I'll give 10 times imposition for you. 10 times imposition. What is the third rule? Jelin. Third rule, fast. Don't refer your notes. Don't refer your notes. Third rule of addition. Forgot everything, Jelin. Ivan, please help her.
Yes, ma'am.
Jelin, this is not a thing to forget. It's a very important one.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ivan, tell.
When we add one positive integer and a negative integer, find the difference and give the sign of the larger number.
Jelin, tell what is the third rule?
when we add one positive integer and negative integer,
Mm.
find the greater integers.
Find the
Uh,
difference. Nothing
find the
you have
difference.
studied. Nothing you have studied. Simply you kept the book there. Like, isn't it? Find the difference and give the sign of the bigger one.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Now see, last question whether you know or not.
No, ma'am, the answer, the 180 plus 100 is another, right?
Negative
that I-
100. Positive 180 and negative 100. Subtract and give the sign of the bigger one. Which is the bigger one?
180.
So, what is the sign of it?
Positive.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Study well.
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
not giving any imposition. Okay. Tomorrow I'll ask all the rules. If you are not getting, I'll give 200 times imposition. Okay. Now I am not giving anything. Okay, children. So, next one is subtraction of integers. Write the heading.
Ma'am,
Subtraction.
Ma'am?
Yes. Subtraction of integers.
I cannot even see you all, ma'am.
Narendran, wait, maybe network error, you will get. Subtraction of integers.
What are you telling? I cannot hear.
Subtraction of integers, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Subtraction of integers. Wrote the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Subtraction of integers. Listen here, children. Before starting the subtraction, you have to study. Elsa is not listening. You have to study a new thing. Okay. A new one. See, children, there is no rule for subtraction. There is no rule for subtraction. Okay, no rule. We don't know to subtract. But what we will do is, we will change the subtraction to addition because addition is comparatively easy, no? Which is easy, subtraction or addition? Addition is easy, right?
Addition.
So instead of subtracting, we will change that rules, the question to addition, and we use the rule of addition. Okay, children? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So subtraction, what we will do is, we will change into addition. So for changing, there are some process. We cannot change. For that purpose, we are studying this one. That is the new thing. It is known as additive inverse. Additive inverse. You can write the heading. Additive inverse. Inverse. VERSC. Additive inverse. Write the heading.
Ma'am.
Additive inverse.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, now listen here, children. Additive inverse means the additive inverse of -3 is +3. Additive inverse of +5 is -5. Once more, additive inverse of -10 is +10. And additive inverse of +10 is -10. What did you understand from this?
Opposite.
What is opposite here?
Opposite of
Positive and negative.
Opposite?
Positive and negative.
We will change the sign. We'll write the number itself and we will change the sign. Okay. It is known as additive inverse. Additive inverse means whatever number you get, that number's sign change. Okay, children?
Yes,
That
okay,
number,
ma'am.
we will change the sign. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So will you tell what is the additive inverse of -2?
2.
Positive. What is the inverse, negative inverse, additive inverse of positive 2?
Negative 2.
Negative
2.
Okay. What is the additive inverse of -100?
Positive
100. What is the additive inverse of 50?
Negative
Negative 50. Simply 150 means its sign is positive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You understood, children?
Yes, ma'am. We understand.
1 second. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. We understand.
Okay. So Aromel, what is the additive inverse of -9?
Yes, ma'am.
Positive 9. So Adilakshmi, what is the additive inverse of -1?
Positive 1.
Positive 1. What is the additive inverse of 0?
0 itself.
Does not have an additive inverse because -0 not there. Okay. There is no sign for 0. Okay, children. So what is the additive inverse of positive 1?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. So now you can write some examples of additive inverse.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Additive inverse. You wrote the heading now. Additive inverse.
Yes, ma'am. We wrote.
Write in full sentence. Additive inverse of. Complete the sentence and write. Additive inverse of -10 is positive 10. Like examples. No other special rule and nothing. Definition of this. Inverse of 5 is -5. Additive inverse of
Opposite of negative.
yes. Additive inverse of -1 is positive 1. Now children, let me tell you one thing. What is additive inverse of? Simply if I give one number, alphabet A, what is additive inverse of A? Negative A. Okay. Negative A. What is additive inverse of negative A? Positive A. Okay. What is additive inverse of negative A? Positive A. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now how will we use this in subtraction? That is our next one.
Now you didn't put negative symbol in last one.
Yes, that is correct. Okay, Jaylin, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And don't forget this for tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm finished.
I cannot see what you are writing.
Okay, children. Now listen carefully. We use this additive inverse for subtraction. Keep the pen there, children. Don't be distracted. Don't look here and there. Look at the screen and sit. Okay. Listen, children. If we are subtracting, I'll give examples first. And after that, we will write the rule. Okay. Okay. Listen, children. If I am subtracting 10 minus -6. That is, I am subtracting -6 from 10. Okay? Subtracting -6 from 10. So,
Negative 4.
here, this 10, no. First number, we will write like that itself. 10. 10 itself, no change. No change. Okay? 10, first number, no change. This you have to keep in the mind. When you write, you have to keep like that. You first number, no change. Then This subtraction, no subtraction, that we will change as addition. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Subtraction, we will change that addition. But one thing, how can we subtract one number? How can we subtract how can we change subtraction into addition?
Ma'am,
We
by
cannot simply change, children. Here, when we write subtraction as addition, we have to do one more change. That is, write the additive inverse of the second number. What is the additive inverse of the second number?
Negative
Negative 6 is the original number. What is the additive inverse of the second number?
Positive 6.
So children, first number you bring down without any change. Again, minus you will change as plus, addition. Now, what is the next change?
And we will change the number as additive inverse.
Negative 6, second number sign change. Okay, children.
Yes, ma'am.
First number no change. Minus as plus. And second number sign change.
Sign will
And
change.
now you know we don't know addition. We don't have any subtraction rule. We know only addition. What is the answer of 10 plus 6?
16.
16. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the answer.
10 minus.
Okay,
Understood,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am, you understand.
Okay. That is the answer of this question. One more example. 5 minus 3. What is the answer? How will you
5
do?
plus 3.
5 is
5 is 5 and the minus will become plus and the minus 3 will become the additive inverse means 3.
will become positive 3.
The positive.
And add
Ma'am, we will get it.
positive 8. One more question. Listen. Negative 6 minus negative 2. You tell what is the first one you have to remember.
6 plus
Ma'am,
First number,
6.
first number
first number,
Negative.
Not having
first number,
Negative 6.
no change. First number, no
not-
change.
will not change.
Okay, no change. Right as it is. No change. Change starts from the second sign onwards. Subtraction to change into addition. One more change. What is that change?
The sign.
Negative 2 will change as positive 2. Now you know only addition. No, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What is? How will you do? Add one negative integer and a positive integer.
4. 4.
Find the difference
negative
Find the difference and
and give the sign of the
Larger number.
larger number. Find the
Negative
difference.
4.
Here don't use again subtraction rule. Okay, here it is we know only addition rule. What is third rule? Addition's third rule. What is addition's third rule?
Ma'am, addition's third.
Again, what is addition's third rule?
Ma'am, when we add negative and positive integer,
find the difference and
And give the sign of the
larger
bigger one. Now what is the difference here?
Ma'am,
ma'am, negative 4.
What's the difference? And what sign will you give?
I'm negative because 6 is larger.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
One second. We have the number line. No, children. Negative 6, negative 5, negative 4,
Yes, ma'am.
negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1,
2, 3, 4, 6.
2, 3, 4. Negative 6. We are adding positive 2. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Add means you are going to right side, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will you do? 1, 2. 2 gems. Negative 6. 1, 2. Plus 1 plus 2, right? So where we reached?
negative 4.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now again. Negative 6 minus simply 2. What will happen?
I mean, eight.
Negative 6, no change, children. Negative 6, no change. Then,
Negative 6
Negative 2.
this is minus. Minus will change as
plus
Plus.
plus. And 2,
Negative 2. Negative 2.
negative 2. We will use the addition rules. Addition rule.
Once more we should
Negative 8, ma'am.
when we add
Negative 8. Add
And
and
rule
give
number
sign of the
2.
add and give the and it
Negative.
is 6
Negative
plus 2,
2.
8 and give the
Negative
sign minus. Take the sign. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, children?
yes,
One more. Negative 6 minus 6 minus minus 2. This we did?
No, ma'am.
No.
When we do it.
Okay. Or 6 minus simply 2. What is 6 minus 2?
And 6, ma'am.
6 minus 2 is 4.
6 minus 2? 4. Let us check whether we'll get the 4. It is no need of using any rule, but you know the answer. 6 minus 2 is 4.
yes,
Yes.
But we'll use the rule of subtraction and let us check. First number
And 6.
and here
Plus.
and here what will you do?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So what is the answer? Let's just check.
negative 2.
Ma'am, negative
Mm.
4.
So you have to think which rule of addition is this?
Whole number.
Which rule of addition is this?
Third rule.
First rule, second rule, or third rule?
Third rule.
Third rule. What is third rule?
Ma'am, when we add positive integer and negative integer, we should look.
Subtract and give the sign of
But,
the bigger
look the
one.
difference.
Answer?
Ma'am, the answer is 4.
4.
64.
Somebody is telling 8.
Ma'am,
Is that 8?
No, ma'am.
Who's that person? Who was that person?
Ma'am, Anna?
Anna,
Sorry, ma'am.
Dear child, listen. Addition rule. When we add one negative and a positive integer, subtract and give the sign of the bigger one. That rule. Addition's third rule. Okay. Okay. Now, shall we write the rule now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can write the rule.
So subtraction only, nothing is there. Or subtraction, there is no special rule. We use the rule of addition. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we write?
Yes, ma'am, of
Ma'am, we
course.
can write.
When we subtract two integers, change the sign of the second number to be subtracted and add it with the first number. The subtraction of an integer is the same as the addition of its additive inverse.
Ma'am, finish writing.
I'm all finished writing.
Okay. Shall we write the examples?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Nivinjay is not finished.
Ma'am, finished.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
No.
Ma'am, finished.
I'm not moving. We can write. Okay, examples. -6 minus -2. First number, you have to write these steps. Okay. So first you
ma'am.
put the arrow and write like this.
And the number
Later you
itself.
don't put any arrow. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Now for the examples, you can put the arrow and write. -4. Example 1.
Can you please up, ma'am, that number that change the sign of the sec? Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Man, can you tell
-6 no
the
change.
number
Subtraction to
know?
addition. And this to -2. So when you add, you will get -8.
-8.
The first number.
Third example.
Eight. Ma'am, 8.
Good.
Ma'am, can you please?
Thank you, ma'am.
Please.
Who is this? Told the answer
Ma'am.
very fast.
Ma'am, Anupama.
Huh?
Anupama.
Anupama told. Okay, children, shall I take the attendance?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please move up?
Is there one more period for us?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, tomorrow we have.
So we have 2
Tomorrow.
periods.
Ma'am, can you please
Can you please?
move
Can
up?
you please stop the class? What are you telling?
Can
Ma'am,
you
she's
stop?
telling to move the board down.
Let you write these examples now. Afterwards, I'll scroll up. Okay. Adilakshmi, Amal, Amal.
Absent.
Yes. Amna,
Ma'am, Amna is present. Amna is
Yes.
present.
Anna Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Angelia.
Mantil is present.
Anupama.
Present.
Aromal.
Present, ma'am.
Ashwin.
Absent.
Badra.
Ashwin is present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Bilsa. Bilsa.
She was good.
Present, ma'am.
Devananda.
Ma'am, Ilsa is present.
Divyansh. Inovin.
Present, ma'am.
Ishal.
Present, ma'am.
Evangel. Fala. Faiz.
Present, ma'am.
Fia.
Present, ma'am.
Helen.
Present, ma'am.
Irene.
Present,
Ivy.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Jay Krishnan. Jelin Elizabeth.
Present, ma'am.
Jelin Shaiju. Justin.
Present, ma'am.
Joshua. Joshua. Jewel. Krishnaveni. Naifa.
Present, ma'am.
Najma. Narendran.
Present, ma'am.
Nairin. Nevin.
Present, ma'am. Nevin is
Yes.
present.
Parvati.
Present, ma'am.
Prayan.
Ma'am, Antilia is
Ritul.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Amna is
Romal.
Ma'am, Antilia is present.
Sachin. Shahad.
Present, ma'am.
Shubh. Telsa.
Present, ma'am.
Tejas.
Absent.
Okay, children. Listen. Amna, want to see the board? Okay. Now, children, this is very important rule. Subtraction. Is there any special rule for subtraction?
No, ma'am.
No. What will we
ma'am.
do?
We will do the
We will change into
second number into its additive inverse
Inverse, and we will add.
and add.
So both are same. See, children, in our English, we can, will we tell like that? I did not get, no, nothing. Will you tell like that? Two negatives will form as a positive, no?
Yes,
Two negations in a sentence will be positive. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
So like that, when we change the additive inverse, already the change happened. And we are, instead of subtracting, we are adding it. Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Clear.
subtraction will change it to addition, but simply we cannot change. We have to equalize that, and we have to do one more change in that. Okay? So don't forget this subtraction. Okay, Amna, finish?
Yes, ma'am, I finished.
Yes, yes. Okay, children. Now, what do you mean by additive inverse? Tell me.
Ma'am, we will change the sign.
Sign. Only that. Which number does not have an additive inverse?
0.
0.
0. Why? Because 0 does not.
And because 0 is not positive and negative.
Number, not
A positive, not negative.
Okay, children. So shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye, children.
ma'am.
See you.
Okay, ma'am. See you next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.